So, Lee, Warren Buffett's still the smartest investor in the universe. So he got into BYD, which is now the largest EV company. What was a stinking little company in 2008.
Right,
He put in about $200 million and he got 10% of
right,
BYD, which
right.
is now, oh, by the way, the largest EV company in the world. He just
Correct.
sold his last few shares in it earlier this year. So let's look at the trajectory. He buys in when no one cares about EVs, right?
And
China,
remind our viewers why he bought BYD. Charlie Munger. Charlie
Charlie
Munger,
Munger,
of
his
all the
his
people in the world, went to Buffett in like '08 and said, "We got to own this. We got to own this Chinese technology and car company." I'm sure he was like, "Oh, okay."
listen, back then Tesla was. This was before.
Oh
This was
yeah.
in the Stone Age
Compared to today, sure.
of
17
EVs.
years ago is a
So
long time ago in this era. Yeah.
fast forward, China then becomes the largest EV market in the world.
Right.
BYD becomes the largest seller of EVs in China, and it starts to expand overseas.
Right.
Mr. Buffett, again, maybe looking over the horizon, sees that all of a sudden in China, BYD is going to be part of about 100 other EV companies. There's
Right.
going to be massive discounting. Their margins are going to drop. Their estimated unit sales are going to drop,
They
both of which
already
have
have
happened.
dropped. They already have dropped. Yeah.
And it's not been easy peasy to get into these foreign markets. They
No.
can't get into the US. The
Nope.
EU is almost shut out. So Warren Buffett then also started selling about 3 years ago,
Yeah. Right.
prescient again. Silver ball is, what's going on?
Well, he was, he's smart. When he does sell things, it's even when he sold Apple, part of it at a while. He's not going to throw the whole stack up there, and he kind of legged out of it. But this last chunk, it was kind of interesting. And one of the reports I read on this is that he Buffett has become more and more and more concerned about the situation with China, how things are going to evolve over there. Will they start to take over businesses, and put them all on some sort of corporate book for the state? But I think he senses too much is going on in the geopolitical world to own a huge chunk of a Chinese car company.
Well, whatever else you can say, he and Charlie got in at a time that was
Well, they
brilliant to
nailed it.
get in, and he started to get out and is now out at a brilliant time not to be in the Chinese EV business.
Yeah, I think you're right, and he's got other issues to deal with, so I'm sure he wants to focus more on where value can be found. Now, I was a little surprised he didn't buy some Boeing. We talked about this about 6 months ago, and I was a little surprised. We know the other issues he went after, United and some other companies, but I was a little surprised that there wasn't a Boeing pickup. But he still has a big pile of cash. It's like 342 billion. So he may be eyeing, just maybe he's waiting for a fall correction or a seasonal correction to get some other value plays.
Well, or maybe another Boeing plane to crash. There's
or that or that.
right, right.
So no more BYD, and who knows? He can't buy Tesla because his Tesla has exploded higher. So maybe he's out of the EV game.
For now.
Yeah.